walk this way, and we're going to do another 5,000 steps across the beach. Let me tell you, it's a good workout. It's seaweed season, guys. Look at this. It's keeping everyone away. Such a beautiful day. This whole walk has been uphill and downhill. The way that the ocean is coming up is creating these hills. So we're really getting a good workout going up and down these little hills. I can feel it in the back of my thighs, in my butt, and my calves.